Good morning, students. So now we are going to start part 3, Tea from Assam, and it is also the part of the same chapter, Glimpses of India. First part, a baker from Goa. Second part, Kurg, and now the third and the last one, Tea from Assam. And this short extract is written by Arup Kumar Datta, born in 1946, belongs to Assam, that he took his education at Delhi University, plus that he served as a professor of English at the same place at Jorhat. This place name is given. So now the way that he has written, the description is given about the tea gardens in Assam. That is what the reflection of his own experience. Now here two characters are given. One is Pranjal and the second one is Rajveer. Both are the classmates. Pranjal belongs to Assam. He was the native of Assam, but now for the sake of school or the education, living in Delhi. Both were classmates at school in New Delhi. Who? Pranjal and Rajveer. And Pranjal's father, that he was the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam. Pranjal's father. So once Pranjal invited Rajveer to visit Assam in summer vacation. This is what the background is given when the lesson starts. Now, when the lesson starts, that they were on the way. That means at the almost on the train. Train was about to leave the platform station. At the same time, a tea vendor that he came and it means he called out in a high pitched voice that means chai garam tea, in this way that he called out. When he came to the window of the boys, it means Pranjal and Rajveer, that he asked for the tea. Pranjal said that give 2 cups. So they took, sipped it means sipped the tea, drank, and not only they, it means all the people in that compartment, that they were drinking the tea. It means, and at the same time, what did he say? Here, Rajveer said, though Pranjal belongs to Assam and Rajveer, he was first time going to Assam, but still, before going there, he had done the homework. It means he had read in books. Who? Rajveer, who was going first time, but he had read in books. So that is why Rajveer said to Pranjal, do you know, Pranjal, that over 80 crores cups of tea, how many? 80 crores cup of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. How many cups cup of tea? That every day 80 crores cups of cup of tea are drunk throughout the world. Pranjal surprised, is it so? It means the tea is so popular in the world. Then Rajveer said, yes, so popular. So with this description, with this discussion, what happened? At last the train pulled out of the station. It means the train left the station. Now their journey started. So when the journey started, at that time, Pranjal, it means Rajveer, that he was looking outside. Why? First time that he was going to that region, to Assam. So that is why, and he was so curious to know the things, to see the beautiful scenery. But at the same time, Pranjal, that he had buried his nose in detective books. Pranjal, because he was familiar with the that atmosphere, that greenery, because he was from Assam. Pranjal, his father was the manager of a tea garden, tea plantation, so that is why he knew all these things. That was nothing new for him. But Rajveer, being the first visitor, means first comer or the visitor, So that is why, though he was an ardent of detective books or the reader of the detective books, but still that he preferred to look outside the window. It means beautiful scenery. So though he wanted to learn. So after some time what happened? Soon the soft it means the soft green paddy fields gave the way to tea bushes, right? And after that, it means after soft paddy fields, suddenly the tea bushes started, and that was really a panoramic, a magnificent view. The writer says magnificent in the sense that, for example, against the backdrop of densely wooded hills, against the backdrop of densely wooded hills, what was there? The tea bushes spread as far as the eye could see. As far as that you could see, your eyes could see only tea bushes, nothing else. After the paddy, green paddy fields. And now, who was looking outside the window? Rajbir was looking outside the window. Pranjal, he was busy in reading the detective books. So then there were shade. After that, there were shade trees also over the areas. Everywhere, wherever they could see, only the tea bushes standing just like a doll-like figure. The description is given. So after that, in the some distance, what happened? Pranjal noticed. What did he notice? An ugly building that he noticed. That ugly building, from that building, what was there? The smoke billowing out of the tall chimneys. Smoke billowing means coming. It means the smoke was coming out of the tall chimneys. And at the same time, Pranjal, it means Rajbir excitedly that he, it means cried, it means a tea garden, he said. Rajbir, because first time that he was going to see, so that is why when he saw the tea garden, that he exclaimed, that he, in an exciting manner, that he said that a tea garden. Then Rajbir, Pranjal, that he was not new in that region, he knew all these things, so he did not say show any kind of the excitement, Pranjal. But after that, the discussion is about, for example, then he said that they were in Assam now. Tea gardens started, bushes started. It means that they were in Assam, going by train. So, and then the discussion was there. Then he said that, do you know? It means Assam has the largest concentration of tea plantation in the world, right? Largest tea plantation in the world, and no one. And after that, Rajbir, he said, he told to Pranjal, do you know? It means no one really knew that what it means. Who discovered tea? Who said? Rajbir said to Pranjal, because I told you, though he was going for the first time, Rajbir, to Assam, but still that he had done the homework. It means he had read in the books. So that is why he knew that Assam has the largest concentration of tea plantation in the world. Plus that he says that, it means he said that no one really knew that who discovered tea. Who said? Rajbir said to Pranjal. Now the two stories are given here. Rajbir said that so many legends, it means there were so many legends. Then Pranjal asked, tell me, I want to know. Then Rajbir, he started the first tale that is related with the Chinese emperor. First legend or the story, old story. What happened once that a Chinese emperor, that he had a habit of always, it means boil water before drinking. What is given here? That there was once about the Chinese emperor, and that who always boiled water. Who? That Chinese emperor always boiled water before drinking. Before drinking. So one day what happened? A few leaves of the twigs or the branches, branches that what happened, fell burning under the pot or into the water. What happened? Few leaves of the twigs or the branches which was burning under the pot, they fell into the water. Few leaves fell into the water by accident, right? And when they sipped it, when they drank, at the time what happened? It gave a delicious flavor. That they felt a kind of a delicious flavor, and they thought that, it means they said definitely that they were the tree leaves. This is what the first legend or the first story about Chinese emperor, right? Second story about India, it means related with Indian legends. So what happened? We know Bodhidharma. What happened once a Buddhist monk, an ascetic, that he cut off his eyelids. Who? That Buddhist monk. Why? Because he felt sleepy during the meditation. So that is why he cut off his eyelids. But later on what happened? 10 tea plants grew out of his eyelids. Right? And then these leaves, when put in hot water, and drunk, vanished to sleep. You understand? When he cut off his eyelids, 10 tea plants grew out of his eyelids, and when he put the leaves of the plants in hot water, right? In hot water and drunk, vanished to sleep. So this is what the second. It means two legends. One is Chinese emperor, and the second one is Indian Buddhist monk. These two stories are given here, right? So in this way, this is what the Rajveer said to Pranjal, that these are two legends or the stories behind the discovery of tea, right? Now only few points are left, 2-3 points that we will continue in the one more video. Thank you.